All right. This one is for Not Billy. 2020 Panini Prizm Draft Picks. Megabox. Swayze, how many of those things have you bought? We'll do the pink one last. Vessel, green. Anthony Edwards, pink, cracked ice. There you go. That's a start. Cole Anthony. And Precious. Naismith. Jimmy Wiseman. Pritchard and Haggins. Tyrese. Anthony Edwards in a different pitcher. It's like he's passing it to himself. Only 26. Wiseman, Anthony. Oh, I should probably show you the rest of the last pack. Winston and Oturu. Jalen Smith. Kill Hayes. And the Maxi. Trey Jones. Cole Anthony. There's your silver Prizm. Sadiq and Vidija. Lay Mello. Did I blow through that many top loaders already? That was fast. Oh, that's right, the case break. That'll do it. Obi Toppin. Sounds like something Mushmouth would say. Marcus Howard. Who can only be followed by Marcus Howard. And Halliburton. Josh Green. Isaiah Stewart. Nora. And Wiseman. La Mello. Avdija. R.J. Hampton. Higgins. Noara. Peyton Pritchard. McDaniels and Williams. Hey, Cardinal, how you doing? Cole Anthony. R.J. Hampton. It's Sadiq's brother, Tyler. Azubuike. And Carey. It's Obi Toppin, OBKB. What up, Maestro? What are you doing here so late? R.J. Hampton. Oh, yeah. Anthony Edwards. Silver. And bonus. How about Kerry Blackshear's autograph in pink cracked ice? Nope, Maestro. Nope. 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 Not good excuse. Nope. There you go. You are welcome. A few really nice ones in there. Especially the fact that one of your silvers was Mr.